do this thing. What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here, and first of all, if you're somehow new to my channel, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, because this channel is all about filmmaking gear tips and tutorials. Like in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the infinite roll feature on the DJI Ronin-s. Now this is the feature that I'm super excited about. I've actually wanted this feature in gimbals, like single pistol hand gimbals, for a very long time, and now that someone has actually figured out how to do it, I'm going to teach you guys how you need to set up your Ronin-s in order to pull this off, and then I'll show you guys how to actually do it using the gimbal. Now this is really simple, but let's go ahead and go through all the steps. Now the first thing you actually have to do is pull out your phone and actually launch the Ronin-s app. Or in this case, it just says Ronin. Now this is not the same Ronin app as the Ronin-m or the original Ronin. This is a new Ronin app, so make sure you download that. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our Ronin is actually connected. So make sure you actually go through and you connect your Ronin. Then we're going to tap on configuration. We're going to tap on control settings. Then we're going to go over to where it says channels and actually tap on where the word channels is. And then on channel 2, we're gonna switch that over to NA, and then we're gonna tap away, and then for channel 3, we're gonna switch that over to roll. Now, once you do that, that is actually all you actually have to do. It's actually very simple from there. Now, one thing that I did do was I slid my roll over to the left a little bit to kind of make it a little bit slower. That makes it a little bit easier for me to control it, and it's not going super fast. Now, you can obviously use this however you want to, but I personally like it slow. I think it makes a more cinematic and easier shot, and it's honestly easier to keep your subject in frame the slower it's moving, because literally once you turn your frame upside down, literally everything changes. Now after you do that, it's actually pretty much everything's done now. So all we have to do now is grab your DJI Ronin-s, go ahead and lay it parallel to the ground, and then go ahead and double click your trigger twice, and then your camera will actually go ahead and set itself correctly. And then from there, you just use the little thumb knob thing and you just pull that to the left or to the right, and then your gimbal will now turn on that axis. So there you have it, guys. Super easy, super short video. I just wanted to show you guys how this thing worked, because honestly I couldn't find any videos that really just talked about this one thing, and it was always buried like really deep in forums and things I couldn't find. So I wanted to make this video for you guys, so hopefully it helps you guys out. If you guys like those shots that I put at the beginning of the video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Also check out some of these other videos I've done on the Ronin-s already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.